synthetic market, we'll be using Deriv for today. And just in case you're not familiar with FOREX or Deriv, I'll be leaving a link in the description for you to start with them. And of course, that gives access to not just to the FOREX market, but to the synthetics, give access to the cryptos and several other assets for you to trade. And of course, you don't need to start switching from one account to another to your trade. Just one single standard account and you're good to go. All right, that's it. Let's start with volatility 75 1 seconds, of which we actually mark this and the ability for you to actually go long. We did this. What's going on? Okay, I don't know what's going on, but then I just okay, yeah, it's actually see look at you. Okay, let me then put this right here. Out of this is okay, is actually 24 hours chart, remember. So for some weeks it was to break up, but then yesterday we saw a breakout from that zone, and then that was actually when I started looking for a long trade. So going to the 4-hour charts, which is our main time frame. All right, so here is the breakout yesterday. So when I saw this breakout, now what are we expecting? Since it's now on the long side, we now expect a retest, okay, breaking above this. So we want to actually give us a tracer or a test, then we go long again once we start seeing long trades. So long opportunity or long setups. I'm sure that's enough. Now we've broken above our previous resistance. So we want to actually come back, because definitely there are some players that actually put their sell here, so that they have to be liquidated, there's players has to be taken out, and then some actually need to take their profit, some that bought from this level want to take their profit. So from that level we start seeing people, so that means the more people are taking their profit, the more we are now going on the sell side. That means we have to get irritated so that new buyers can now step in to take it to this next zone. All right, so let's go to the 15-minute chart to see what really is going on in the 15-minute chart, which is usually our entry time. All right, so on the 15-minute chart, we're actually still seeing the bearish sentimental, being that they actually broke up below this our previous low. So that means we still see a bearish. So that means we actually expect it to actually get to this level first. Then after get to this level, then you can now expect to continue on the long side. I'm sure that is fair enough. So let's see if you can get to this level before going to the long side, or then it's going to reverse from here. Definitely what I'm expecting, so long as I see above this level, I'm expecting long trades. I just want to take long trades, no short trades. So that's what I'll be expecting on volatility 75 1 seconds. All right, go to 75. With volatility 75. All right. Okay. Let me go to 4 hours. On the 4-hour chart, you actually see respecting our high. Remember, it is low. So we don't need the low now. So let's see what's going on. Are we getting rejected, then going bearish, or are we breaking above this? Remember, if you break above this, we'll look for long trades to this next level. If we break that, we look for long to this next level. As long as we are still getting rejected, we are likely to see a retracer or a pullback to this level. But then let's see first, are we seeing a retracer, or are we seeing a major change of trend back to this level? That's, you can find out from the 15-minute chart after seeing a change of structures of the market being a series of low highs and lower lows. Then we know the market is going to continue bearish. Therefore, now what I see currently is still the bullish setups where you can see the market actually looking above this. Then currently, this is actually the first breaking. So we believe this is a retest. So if you can see a close above this, then we're going long. They put the stop loss at this level. So for now, we do nothing until we see a close green candle above this level. This is above this internal high here. You can see a bullish candle fully closed above it. They will go long. At the close of that candle, they put stop loss below this our previous rejection. All right, so that's for volatility 75. So let's go to boom. And of course, we're using boom 500. All right. So going to the H4 or the 4-hour charts, this is actually already very much bullish. So that means we are looking for just bullish trades on 15-minute charts. All right, and I think I found one. Yes. So here's my bullish setups for boom 500. So here's my bullish setup for boom 500. So this is what I'm looking at to do on boom 500 for today. So that's a long trade. So let me just place that trade already because it's already for this. Okay. So just a moment. Let me just place this trade. Just a moment. Okay. What's going on? All right. So that's boom 500. Of course, just a moment. What's going on? Okay, so the stop loss is on 53, 53.10. 53.10, yeah. All right. Okay. Sorry for that. A little bit of delay. All right. So let's go to the next one, which is the boom 1000. Okay. So focusing on boom 1000. Let's go to the H4 to see. Sorry, I just clicked on the 24 hours. Let's go to H4 to see what we are looking for. Remember, I've not been really placing trade on this because I said I'm not really comfortable with the pattern it's actually forming. And it seems like I started another stupid pattern right here again. After breaking this previous level of moving as zigzag, then we got to this level. I can see already forming a pattern. Seems we are already getting bearish because I see some rejection here. But then remember, I've not said I'm going bearish. I've not said I'm going bearish on 1000 yet. Just we can see it's actually giving us bullish pattern, breaking above this previous internal high right here. So breaking above this previous internal high, so that is a bullish pattern. And of course, based on the 4-hour chart, we are expecting to expect a bearish pattern so long as this level is still valid. So the rate I'll be expecting a bullish pattern is if I can get a breakout of from this level, then I think I'll be looking for a bullish pattern. But for now, I'm looking for bearish pattern formation. All right, that's it. Going to the crash. And of course, we're starting up with crash 500. Okay, on the 4-hour charts, we seems to be seeing some bearish trade, but also with some bullish momentum or tracer. Okay, so I'm actually looking for a bullish trade. So long as this value, this level here gets respected, I'm still looking for bullish trade, not still looking for a bearish trade yet. So I'm waiting for it here before I will go think what to do. If I can get a breakout from this, then I can think of going long on Crash 1000. Otherwise, for now, I'm not doing anything on Crash 1000. I keep my fingers crossed and wait for the market to show me what it wants to do. Okay, so that's that for that. So let's go to the next one, which is the final one, Crash 1000. Okay, alright. Crash 1000 is actually bullish. You should look for bullish trade on the 15-minute chart. Of course, for now, we can't really see any bullish trade. Service level gets old. Okay, so I'm going bullish on Crash 1000. Just a moment, let me place my trade. So that's crash 1000. Okay, okay, just went bullish. All right, all right. So I just went bullish on crash 1000. The very tight stop loss just there. So this is actually for scalping. So this is what I'm looking at, or that is what I'm currently on crash 1000. I'm surely keeping informed on whatever happens on it. All right. So after we have analyzed the crash 1000, of course, that brings us to the end of today's analysis with Deriv. Just like I said earlier, in case you don't know the broker Deriv, I will leave a link in the description for us to open an account with them. And of course, if today is the first time coming across my videos, that means you're not yet a member of the family. If you're watching this on YouTube, please do well to hit the subscribe button and don't forget the bell icon beside it so you get notified once I post the next video. And of course, if you're watching this on Facebook or TikTok, please hit the follow button. And of course, if you find this information very active or very educative, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget you can do it to share with your colleagues, with your friends that you also need this information. That said, I wish everyone a profitable day trade ahead. Please stay safe, and ensure you don't risk more than you can afford to lose.